Yun!
Yes, alam mo ba dahil sa mga nangyari, my heart is so happy seeing other people happy. But of course, ngayon, anong masasabi mo sa buong event?
Saan?
Sa buong event, grabe. Naramdam ko yung pagmamahal ng Talk Bang ng Season 6. Grabe. Yung energy na binigay nila simula nag-start yung program hanggang kalagitnaan. Grabe yung energy. Lalo na taglabasan yung mga love teams.
Exactly. But of course, kasabay ng pagbuo ng bagong simula ng ating mga love teams, ngayon we're going to close another chapter sa buhay naman ng ating mga content creator. And now, it's time to take a trip down memory lane. We would like to call lahat ng content creators to please be dito. Sige na. We have prepared a farewell video that highlights the most memorable moments of PHOC Season 6. Roll!
VTR.
The most thrilling digital reality show in the Philippines. The House of Grown Up, Season 6. Our first content creator.
My name is Christina Gonzalez.
My name is Red Mendoza.
Kathleen Lecaimba.
Me, Darwin.
Eliza Dervin Serrano.
I'm Rene Macpili Rodriguez.
My name is Gisela Anya Herrero. I am Jessie Avisamis. My name is Calvin Monday. And Jessica
I am Marvin Aquino.
I am Shelly Reyes. I am Jason Pentabella.
My name is Deborah Rodriguez.
Hi, my name is Victoria Bolato.
Raymond Ventura, Raymond Denison.
Princess Margaret.
My name is David Tati.
This is RNG Wenda.
I am Joe Marie Julian Nava.
I am Kate Anima. I'm Amber.
The first content creators are now.
Signing off!
3, 2, 1, go! Nakita ko na medyo marami silang baggage. Very marami pupunta ng season 6. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3! Thank you so much, everybody. I wish you all the best. Good luck.
Ang bottom 4 ngayong gabi ay sina
Ang unang content creator na tuloy ang lalabas, Jazel.
Super thankful ako kasi support nyo hanggang sa ngayon.
Rob Padayon. Yes.
Jihan.
Jordan and Christina.
Hi everyone, ako po si Kenneth Ryan Campos.
Hi, I am Jade Angel Salazar. Hello, my name is Kathy, 21 years old, from Manila.
Nika Rivero!
Yo guys, I'm Elvin.
I'm Lara, 20 years old. I am Miss Martina, 17 years old. My name is Jamie Santiago. I'm 23 years old from Muntinlupa City.
Surprise baby.
Yeah, thank you so much everyone to our fans of of Season 6. Maraming salamat. At open na ang The House of Gold of Season 7 audition. Kaya naman, stitch na ang iyong paggawa ng content para makapasok pa sa The House of Gold of Season 7. And Mrs. Mitch Raimundo, your host for tonight.
Thank you for joining us tonight. Maraming salamat po. And see you next Meet and Greet concert.
Everybody know this will be so grand. You break the barriers, you reach for the sky. This box of no spirits like so love you and I understand. Everybody know this will be so grand. We break the barriers, you reach for the sky. Spirits fly high by. Let's go. Let's go. Season 6. Hey, hey, up for Season 6. Bashi-bashi, nako, ay nako. Together we shine, there's nothing we can do. Hindi nila mapipigilan ang ating pangarap. Dapat tumarap, ipadalang ito. Bashi-bashi, nako, ay nako. Together we shine, there's nothing we can do. Hindi nila mapipigilan ang ating pangarap. Dapat tumarap, ipadalang ito. Hey! Let's go, Season 6! Let's go! Everyone knows this will be so grand. Break the barriers and reach for the sky. This must last, this lifeline. Hey, hey, hey! Let's go, Season 6! Yo guys, thank you so much guys. Maraming salamat guys. Thank you. Let's go! Pero oy! Let's go Season 6! Music, music! Walang flash, walang flash! Ayan na, may ilaw na. 1, 2, 3! Fly high! Yung mga nasa likod, sama na kayo! Sama, sama! Maraming salamat po sa lahat na pumunta sa meet and greet namin tonight. Sa pagbigay sa amin ng oras para sa inyo itong gabi ko. Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal! See you sa off-season tsaka sa next season! Thank you guys! I love you all!